take one of my old ledCornlight and we compare like this, you can find the new type, the top side also have the LED strips, and the new type for the 80 watt, 100 watt, 120 watt, no fan, but the old style have fan, so this is new style, different part. Now I will open you the packing. Let's check what the packing inside it have. So we can see it have the instruction file. So when you receive the lamps, you need to read the instruction and see how to install the ledCornlight. Okay, we have the foam packing. So here we can see the ledCornlight. We have different lamp base. So this is the module base. It can be E26 and E27. This is module base, so it can be E39 and E40 base. And also we have one new design. So for this kind of combo, we can do the motion sensor as well. So normally when you receive the lamps, you don't worry about the packing. You can see we use very good design, very beautiful design, and the packing materials is so nice. The ledCornlight we use its style chip inside to let it work at least 130 lumen per watt. So it is enough bright. And also we do 80 watt for the